Hey guys, welcome once again to another episode of Trending Countdown. The Scariest bear was caught snooping through a New York home, USA until Harper, the family dog, chased it away.
Oh, be careful. Literally goes and bites his shorts.
This brown bear break into husband's home and performed the scene of bears chasing people. An Australian man was getting ready to do his business on Saturday morning when he was startled by a large carpet python. A man crawls into a cave and finds a nice surprise. A young Florida black bear surprised people on a busy desert beach when he suddenly swam to shore from way out in the Gulf of Mexico. A scuba diver summoned a large manta ray to swim toward her in the Maldives by putting her arms out and rotating them.
You want to go, bud?
A surfer got thrown into the water when an angry swan snuck up on him in a hilarious moment caught on video. These swimmers have a very close encounter with orcas, but guys, orcas are not that much known for attacking humans in the wild. A New Jersey resident captured footage of the moment a deer drove into a swimming pool.
Deer crashed through my window. What? No, not in the pool! He just jumped in the pool! What the? Oh my god. Deer crashed through my window. What? No, not in the pool! He just jumped in the pool! What the? Oh my god.
This fall tusker chases man who venture into the vineyard Muthanga Wildlife Sanctuary, India, just to click few photos.
Holy shit! Run, run! Run! Ah, they're disturbing me. My goodness. They would have been killed.
The sounds of breaking branches led to an unexpected discovery at a home in USA, a young bear snooping around. This tiger attacked circus trainer bites his neck during a live performance in Italy. A massive American crocodile was removed by wildlife officials from the backyard pool of a home in the Florida, USA.